Hello guys, Ryan here, and this is Spygen Unboxing 6. Yeah, I got a little package from eBay. Let's get into it. Here's what I got. Wow, this item is pretty heavy. And wow, the styrofoam like to stick to it. Ew. I got an LNER V3. Oops. Here's what it looks like. Here's like the image of them in real life. The LNER V3s were a type of tank engine built by Sir Nigel Gresley. But unfortunately all these engines are scrapped. And I heard there's a replica being built of... Here's an... Oh my. I'm gonna get out. Look at this. Look at this. The wheel was literally, and the axle are literally. I'm not even gonna put the axle back on. I'm just gonna, well, look at the locomotive. The locomotive is an LNER black. Nope, it doesn't have sprung motors, but it has a lot of good detail. You're wondering, in case you're wondering if why did I get a V3? I'm actually going to be turning this engine into Eric from Wild Nor'Wester series. So, you'll be seeing Eric soon. And if Wild Nor'Wester would let me, I would probably have Eric in my series. So, yeah, let's just give this guy a test run. Here he is on the track. Let me just... Oops. Hold on 1 second. There we go. Let's see the V3 in action. So, yeah, this was the newest member to my locomotive fleet. So, yeah, this is Spygen signing off.